Hello everyone and welcome to another FX Centrum trade idea for the day. For today, I decided to go and cover pound dollar because I see potential for the good downside movement and potential sell idea on the pound dollar, and I will explain and go for the reasons behind this idea. So this is the 4-hour time frame, as you can see on our FX Centrum platform. Here in the top, you can see that this is the 4-hour time frame, and we have the Bollinger Bands here. What is the interesting thing here is that we had potential bearish flag here. So you can see a very clear here that market had a down move. So there was a breakout of 1.2, let's say 940, and then the RSI went. You can, it's pretty much any like stochastic or RSI oscillator. This is the RSI 14 period. And you can see here that the market was holding relatively well above this 60 mark. And then we went in this downside move here. The oscillator, the RSI went all the way down to even 36, 37. And on this reaction and consolidation, market remained below the 50 level. So this is a pretty bearish situation, and I see potential for the further drop. So there is a chance, from my perspective, even for a 100 to 200 pips downside move. And I place these levels of 1.2783. That's the first, let's say, downside objective. First, I will say very decent pivot level here. We have on swing high here, which is a climatic high, like more like a short-term downside objective at 1.2860. But I will say the major objective is around 1.2785. And then if there is even stronger drop, and even then the next pivot will be all the way down at 1.2735, 735, or even 1.2715. So there is a plenty of potential for the pound to drop. And I will say the initial protective stop, from my perspective, 35 to 40 pips. That's a decent protective stop based on this idea, because if the market will go all the way here, then we might see also some more consolidation, maybe even further rally or something like that. So I would like for the market to trade, I will say, below the 1.2960 mark, 950, 960. So if the market can hold above this hold below 1.2950, 960, as long as the market can hold this, there is a potential for the drop. So a sell idea on the British pound versus US dollar, and this is so far best idea that we found for today and probably for this week. So thank you all for listening, and of course stay tuned for more videos, and we wish you good trading, and speak to you soon.